Piny owacho yango kenge mag thiro tiyo kod uso haoyaye mag makelo mere pacho kama bende oserocho ngima rawere mathoth e thur kae. Nyasi mar yango chike manyien mag thiro yedhego, jatend migawo mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen jiwo oganda mondo omi ochiw arita makare ne rawere kendo geng'ogi kuom tiyo gi yedhe mamero ji. Ogolo siem ne jogo mosebedo ka uso yedhego kowacho ni ibo kawnegi okang' mar chik koting'o koda ka fwai kendo loro handgi. Chikno bende oyango yore mag lando math mag kuong koda thiro lendo manyalo rwako jomatindo e math.
Going to be the MC for
Kenya, we are saying the plan is this policy.
We are going to sack people. We have started sacking them, and they will go to court. Any chief, any police officer, any OCS whose jurisdiction is a drug haven will be dealt with according to the law. They will not be transferred. They will be removed from service. Those who are committing these acts will also be prosecuted accordingly.
The first one is the rising of the legal age from 18 to 21. The second is the banning of alcohol ads in the TV. We want our children to learn ABC and not SDU, which is substance use disorder. Banning these ads during prime time. We also want them to mandate them to put warning ads at pictorials on these alcoholic drinks as we do in tobacco.